Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today I am just going to show you our medallions. They just came in the mail, so I'm going to open them with you here, and then I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about what we have finally decided to do with everything, like on our cruise, like the excursions we're thinking of, and kind of our plans for while we're on the ship. So first of all, I would like to welcome all of our Let's Go family members, and also a really big welcome to all of you who are new. We are really glad that you found us, and we're glad that you're here with us now. If there's anyone here who hasn't subscribed yet, we would invite you to please subscribe. We'd love to have you with us, and I think you'll enjoy staying up to date with everything, and also all of the fun and the cruises and all of the information that we share here with you. And so, like I said, we just got our medallions came in the mail yesterday, I think it was, and we've just been really busy here, and so I just wanted to let you know, people always ask me where they come from, and this time they came from Burlington, New Jersey, and so that's where they came from. One of the Let's Go family members mentioned that hers took kind of a circuitous route and went to some other post offices and back again, and truthfully I didn't watch the tracking on this. They do let you know when they've been shipped, but I've just had other things to do. And so first of all, ours came in this, and you know, we only ordered the medallion and then the included lanyard, so that's what we got. And so it comes in this nice little box here. I hope you can see that okay. And then on the back it says Ocean Medallion there, and it's just this nice little box, and then you just slide it open here, and there's, oh, well, we don't usually have blue ones, but we have blue ones, so that's okay. I know that some other people have had trouble. The color on the medallion is supposed to match what your status is, but these don't, but that's okay. I don't go around looking at people's wondering why they are the color they are anyway, but I have heard other people say that the colors didn't match their status right, and so it's okay. They'll still work just the same. And then I'll just show you here, if you're not familiar with these, on every one of them they engrave your name on there, and then it also says the name of the ship and then the date you're sailing. And so I like this as the Caribbean Princess, January 16th, 2022. And so let me show you here. I'm going to open it here. Here, I'll open mine. That's my husband's. Maybe he would like to open his. But let me see if I can get this open here. It's harder than it looks. Let's see. Okay, here we go. You know, I'm just going to cut it. Sorry. Alrighty. And I've shared before that I use the lanyard usually, and often I either put it around my neck or I put it in my I put it in my bag. But oh, this is different this time. So this time it came in a little plastic holder. So there is this. Maybe the plastic holder just looks different. I don't know. It doesn't look quite the same to me. But you can easily snap it in and out. See, you just pop it in and out. So if you wanted to put this in one of those watch things or something, you would just do that. Let me put this in. Our last two cruises that we've done, we also just got the lanyard on the last one in October to Mexico. My husband went ahead and got the little wrist, the little round thing that goes on the same band with his Apple Watch, and he's been really pleased with it. But this is what the lanyard looks like that's included. It just says, you know, it's got the Princess logo on there, and it says Medallion class. It's just beautiful. And so anyway, that's what I'm going to do. And then, you know what? These little medallion holders are a little bit different than what we've had before, but that's okay. It's the same thing. And so you just took your medallion right on the little medallion holder here, and then you're ready to go. And so we, like I said, are really excited for our cruise. When we're in Nassau, we're just going to get off the ship and walk around right there in the port area and just see what that's like. It's our first time to Nassau, so we thought we would just do that this first time. And then when we get to Costa Maya. We're just going to go ahead and look around and get off at the port, and there's supposed to be kind of an extensive port area there with lots of shops and restaurants and just things to do. So we thought we would take a look at that, and we'll video it for you. So if there's anything you want us to look for, let us know. And also when we go on that day, we're just going to, and well, actually on the Bahamas day, we're just going to get off early, not long after they arrive in port, and then we've got time. If there's more to see than we anticipated, or if there's not so much, we'll just come back to the ship and enjoy that. And then in Belize, we've got that snorkeling the wonders of the Great Reef excursion planned, and so we're really excited about that. And in Cozumel, we're going to go ahead and stick with going on the excursion to Tulum. It's the one that they take you over to Tulum, and then they give you a tour, and then you end up with a couple of hours left, and so you can walk around the area, the ruins more if you want to, or there's like a set of like 40 steps that go down to the beach there, and that beach just looks beautiful. Our daughter, who went on that cruise with a friend a few years ago, said that beach is just breathtaking, and so we thought we should take a look at it too. And so that's what we're going to do while we're in Cozumel. Now, when we're on the ship, you know, I've kind of been thinking a lot about you know, I want to be cautious, I want to enjoy the whole cruise, and I'm really not worried. So I think that we are just mainly going to do what we always do. We're going to keep our eye out for what the movies are on Movies Under the Stars. We're going to, this is the Caribbean Princess, and so she is one of the ones that's got that amazing promenade deck 7, which I just love. It gives you the chance that you can just walk around the perimeter of the ship there. And I also, you know, I should have looked, but I'm not sure that the Caribbean Princess still has an open bow. If she does, I love to go on the open bow and just see as you're moving through the water. But if not, deck 7 is beautiful. It's really close to the water there. They've got the nice deck chairs where you can enjoy. You can sit there and just watch the water go by. You can read a book. And it's really nice with the Medallion class app. You can be sitting there and decide that you would like something to drink and order it or eat, and they'll bring it to you. And so we're looking forward to that. We're looking forward to seeing the waters there in the Caribbean, because we have not been there before. And I maintain that I think that the most beautiful waters in the whole world are in the Mediterranean. But and even I would say the Eastern Mediterranean, it just gets more beautiful as you go that direction. But the colors of blue are just remarkable, and I always thought that that would always have my heart. And then we went on our cruise up to Norway, and that blue is a whole nother blue. And then the waters in Antarctica are this amazing blue-black color. It's just incredible to me how many beautiful colors there can be. So I am so excited to see the colors of blue in the waters of the Caribbean. So we're going to spend a bunch of time on our balcony enjoying that as well. And we'll also see what the shows are. We're looking forward to having some yummy food. We've already got our reservation booked for the Crown Grill, and we're trying to decide if we're going to book the Sabatinis or not. My guess is we probably will. We're just going to kind of see. But anyway, we are really looking forward to this. We've had a few of you comment that you're going to be on the same cruise with us, so I just love that. And so if anyone sees us, be sure to say hi, because we would love to have the chance to get to meet you and visit with you. And so I think it's going to be an amazing sailing, and we're looking forward to taking you all with us. So if any of you have any questions about that or anything else, just put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. I also wanted to let you know that for this cruise, we have got a cabin change, and I think it's a little bit of an upgrade. Before, we have had just the standard balcony, and it was on Caribe, and it was like mid-forward. And the cabin that Princess has moved us to, they just moved us. We noticed it when we logged in and looked at our reservation. They didn't call us or send us an email. Is now on Baja, and it's midship. And it's still a standard balcony, but it's more midship. And like I said, it's on Baja. So I just wanted to let you know about that. And so keep an eye on your itinerary. You never know, they might change your cabin to somewhere a little bit more, a little nicer. Midship is the nicest part of the ship. If you've appreciated this update in this video, will you please give it a thumbs up, because that will really help our channel. I appreciate it. Now, you all, I should say, I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.